Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and welcome to another Amazon haul video. And yes guys, this video is all about beige color haul, and you guys love my color haul from Amazon. So I'm here with another color, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that the Prime Day starts from 4th of July. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go and grab whatever you want. But before that, make sure to watch this video till the end. So yes guys, now starting with our first item, and we know that beige is such a subtle and classic color. So the first item that I have with me in this haul is this top right here, guys. You can see that. So this is the stretch full sleeve top. It is stretchable but not that much, and yeah, it has this round neck to it, and I'm in size medium and it fits me so well, but thoda sa tight bhi feel aata hai. So if you don't want to wear that tight fitted, then you can go one size up. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me. I love the shape of this top, guys. Trust me, the length, the shape, like perfect. It's very plain. You can see that it goes with anything and everything. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me, and you get this in multiple colors. Sizes are also available, and this is in cotton blend material, and for this one it cost me 599 rupees, and I think in 599 it is really a good deal, guys. It has other beautiful colors as well. So yes guys, this is the first item. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me is this shirt right here, guys. This is one of my favorite shirt because I can style this in many ways: casual wear, formal wear, like however you want to style it, guys. Perfect for summer. It has this long length to it. It has the strap pattern going on, and it is a cotton material. It has this collar design to it, and I'm in size small. You can see that, but still it is an oversized shirt. That's why itna zyada size mein bada hai. You can go one size lower if you don't like oversized shirt. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. It has this long length to it. It has this button closer. The material feels so good. It is a cotton material, and other colors are also available for your information. Okay, and for this one it cost me 525 rupees, and I think in 525 it is a good deal. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is something that I'm obsessed with. The moment that I got this one, I'm just using it like anything. Okay, so the item that I'm talking about is this trouser right here, guys. Oh my god, it has this elastic closer to it right here, and इसमें आपको lace भी मिल जाएगा. Nara, you can say in Hindi. So oh my god, look at the length. मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा alter किया है. My size is 5'3", but trust me guys, this is perfect for summer. This have my heart, and to be honest, it has pockets, like literally man, pockets. Like इसका finishing इतना अच्छा है, इसका quality इतना अच्छा है, and I'm in size 28, and you get this in multiple colors, and I'm planning to get in other colors as well because this is this good. Like you can use this as salwar, you can use this as pant, you can use this as formal pants, like however you want to style it, and it is a poly cotton material, like perfect. This is highly recommended, 10 out of 10. And I already told you it has multiple color and different sizes are available, and for this one it just cost me 499 rupees, and I think in 499 it is a steal deal, guys. It is a steal deal, highly recommended. Okay, so the last clothing item that I have with me in this haul is this beige color night suit, and it has this pink design going on little bit here and there. So it is a set of two. You can see that has this top which has full sleeves to it like this, and then I love this cute design going on, heart and a little bit a bunny to it, and then it has this pocket. It is written here as be happy good day. So this is one of my favorite night suit, and it has this collar design going on, and I'm in size medium, and it has this perfect length to it. I love the design, and पीछे से भी ऐसा दिख रहा है, guys, and the material is so good. It is a cotton blend material. इसका अंदर से ऐसा दिया हुआ है, very plain white, and with this you get this trouser, and trouser में भी same pattern दिया हुआ है. It has this straight cut trouser like this, nothing fancy. Material is so good, अंदर से पूरा plain ऐसा वाला दिया हुआ है, and then it has this elastic to it, and I'm in size medium as I already told you. So yes guys, this is a set of two, and for this one it cost me 589 rupees, and it's worth the price. Trust me, highly recommend it. Moving towards our accessories, I have two bags here with me which is beige in color that I got from Amazon. So the first one that I have with me is this, my absolute favorite, this one guys. So yes guys, this is the bag that I have here with me. I have these two charms going on right here. One is honey and one is teddy. Guys, this is one of my favorite bag. Like, it is very travel friendly and casual wear में तो इतना अच्छा दिखता है guys. It has this one big compartment like this, and then ऐसा mini वाला छोटा सा compartment है इसमें. Perfect. इतना ज़्यादा spacious है, आप पूरा एक दिन के लिए सामान भी ले सकते हो. एंड इट हैज दिस चेन क्लोजर टू इट लाइक दिस, एंड देन आपको ऐसा एडजस्टेबल स्ट्राइप्स मिल जाएगा लाइक दिस. हाउएवर यू वांट टू एडजस्ट इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रेफरेंस, लाइक दिस और like this, like however you want to style it. And if you're not into beige color, to be honest, you can go with other colors because other colors are also available, and it's a nylon material, very soft. Highly recommended guys. This bag is highly recommended. And for this one, you won't believe me, it just cost me 399 rupees, and I think in 399 it is a steal deal. This is one of my favorite, like, bag that I got from Amazon, and I highly recommend you guys this one. Okay, so now moving towards our another bag. So another bag that I have with me is, ta-da, guys, this summer vibe. This is one of my another favorite from Amazon, and you can see the design. I absolutely love it. Every time I see this bag, it gives me pura vacation vibe. Just because of this bag, I really want to take vacation, especially to Goa. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. It is written here as summer vibe, and it has this one big compartment like this. There's no more compartment, just one big compartment, and then it has this chain closer to it like this, and then you get this handle. That's all guys, nothing more. आप इसमें पूरा 1 वीक के लिए पूरा अपना सामान लेकर आप चल सकते हो guys. Trust me, it is a canvas material, and for this one it cost me 670 rupees, and I think in 672 it is a steal deal. It is also available in white color. So yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so now moving towards our last item. So last item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da, guys, this heels. This is the most comfortable pair of heels that I own from Amazon. Absolutely love it. The color combination of black and beige can never go wrong guys. It has this buckle closer to it, and then it has this block heel like this, so it's comfortable, and it has this pointed toe closer to it, and then it is a synthetic material, and it is super comfortable. Trust me guys. And it is also available in black color, and I already told you I'm in size 3 UK. Different sizes are also available. So yes guys, this is it, and yeah, this is the last item, and for this one it cost me 849 rupees, and I think in 849 it is a good deal. So yes guys, this is the last item. So yes guys, this is it. Please do let me know in the comment box below aapko kaisa laga, and all the links to the products is in the description box below. Yes guys, Prime Day starting this 4th July, so don't miss out. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.